Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by eliminating quick causes. Restart Word and your PC to clear memory hiccups, then open Word in safe mode. Hold Control while launching to test typing without extensions. Once done, go to File Options Add-ins and disable third-party add-ins. These often block input or cause lag. Make sure to test typing after each change so you identify the exact culprit. This saves time before you dig into settings or repairs. Now address configuration and templates. Update Office to the latest build because patches fix input bugs. Go to File Account Update Options. Rename the normal .m template to force Word to recreate defaults. This clears corrupted macros or key bindings. Also, make sure to turn off hardware graphics acceleration in Options Advanced. Graphics drivers can interfere with cursor and typing responsiveness. After each step, reopen your document and type a few lines to confirm progress. Finish by repairing or isolating deeper issues. Run a quick repair from control panel programs. If that fails, try online repair to reinstall core files. Make sure your keyboard drivers and language/input settings match what you expect. Mismatched layouts can appear as typing errors. If problems persist, create a new Windows user profile to rule out profile corruption or reinstall Office. Troubleshooting tip: if typing still fails, test.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.